Hi friends, welcome back. Today is your third day this week reviewing theme, and here is your exit ticket for today. So please listen to each passage carefully and then choose your best option for the theme. So let's look at the first one. It says, this year, Adam's bus picked him up at 7:55 each morning right in front of Sully's bakery. Even though the bakery didn't open until 8, Adam could always smell the fresh donuts while he waited for the bus. Some mornings, Mr. Sully would open the door early to sweep the step, and Adam would smile and chat with the friendly old baker. One morning, Mr. Sully opened the door early and gave Adam a free donut hole. Adam gobbled it up on the bus and thought he would have liked to eat 5 more. Most days, when Adam waited for the bus, Mr. Sully would give him a donut hole. Then one day, Adam asked if he could have 2 donut holes. Mr. Sully hesitated a moment, but then gave him a second one. The next day, Adam asked Mr. Sully if he could have a few extras for his friends. Mr. Sully shook his head uncomfortably. After that, his door was never open early while Adam waited for the bus. Which theme matches this passage? Number 1, Adam should have kept all of the donut holes for himself. Number 2, the bakery was losing all of their business. Number 3, if you are greedy, you will not get what you want. Choose the best theme for this passage. All right, let's go to the next one. This one says, Laura cautiously checked the email link Ken sent her. It's the teacher's copy of Mr. Chapman's math workbook. It has the answers to all his homework, quizzes, and tests, Ken exclaimed. I'm deleting this, she declared. It's cheating, and I'm not getting in trouble. For the rest of the year, Ken cheated his way through math class. He never actually learned anything, but ended up with an A. Laura, in comparison, spent several hours working through Mr. Chapman's problems on her own each week and ended up with a B-. The following year, Ken couldn't find an online edition of the math book. He struggled all year long and received D's and F's on his report card. Laura, on the other hand, was extremely prepared and easily breezed through the class, receiving A's on her report card. Which theme matches this passage? Number 1, if you find answers to the test, don't share them with others. Number 2, Laura was a lot smarter than Ken. Number 3, cheating will catch up to you and hurt you in the end. Which theme matches this passage? All right, let's go to the next one. This one says, on his birthday, Bart did his best not to feel disappointed about not getting a puppy. He knew it was against the rules for his apartment building. When it came time to open the gift from his parents, there was just one tiny present. Would they have bought him a bracelet or a ring? Bart doubted it would be anything expensive, as they had been trying hard to save money. Bart carefully unwrapped the box and was confused to find an ordinary key. It's not exactly a puppy, his father exclaimed, but it's a good start. You see, we've bought a house, and once we get settled there, we can start looking for a dog. Tears of joy welled up in Bart's eyes. This had turned out to be the best birthday he could have ever hoped for. Now let's see if we can find the theme for this passage. Number 1, things don't always go as you plan them to. Number 2, you should not be sad or upset on your birthday. Or number 3, Bart asked nicely for a puppy and got it. Which is the best theme for this passage? All right, and let's go to our last one. This one says, it took weeks for Bella to hear back from the judges. At long last, her father revealed the good news that she had been chosen for the part of the garbage queen. Bella's heart sank. She simply couldn't go on stage as the garbage queen. As much as Bella had dreamed of starring in a show, she couldn't stand to have her friends laugh at her or tease her. She refused the part of the garbage queen and never again auditioned for a role at the Good Times Theater. Which theme matches this passage? Number 1, Bella should have taken the part of garbage queen. Number 2, there will always be some disappointment in life. Number 3, if they were Bella's friends, they wouldn't have laughed at her. Which theme matches this passage? All right, this is the last one for today. Once you finish and hit the submit button, make sure that you finished all of your other assignments on Google Classroom for today. Have a great day.